Hi, it's Esther, and today I'll be showing you how to make cheesecake danishes. Let's start off with ingredients. First, you're going to need cream cheese, lemons, and eggs. Next, you're going to need salt, sugar, powdered sugar, milk, and butter. While you can always make your own dough, I decided to go with puff pastry sheets from ShopRite because the process would have took a few hours by itself. First, you're going to get 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and mix it till it's smooth. Sorry for the aggressive mixing. Next, you're going to add a 1/3 cup of white sugar and mix it till it's well combined. This will be a good time to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and if you haven't already, to defrost your puff pastry sheets. Next, you're going to separate 2 egg yolks and put it in a bowl. Once you're done, add it to the cream cheese and sugar mixture. Make sure to completely combine it. Next, you're going to want to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to the mixture. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, but we didn't have any, so I used maple syrup instead. I also added in a little bit of cinnamon, because when I made my first cheesecake, it made it taste better. Also, if the filling's too thin, you can throw it in the fridge for a few. Next, you're going to flour your rolling surface. Once you're done, carefully unwrap the puff pastry. Once you're done, you're going to roll it out into a 10 by 10 square. If it's not precise, it's okay. It'll still taste good. Next, you're going to cut the dough into 4 squares and trim off the edges if you want. Trimming off the edges makes it easier to fold. Next, you're going to make an egg wash by cracking 1 large egg and adding a tablespoon of water and mixing it. When I was younger, it used to take me a minute to do this. Next, you're going to cut the folds of your Danish. There's a whole lot of shapes you can make, but simpler pocket ones help you put in more filling. Next, you're going to egg wash your edges. I also decided to add filling under the folds for extra flavor. Be sure to support your Danish when you're moving it. I almost cracked mine. This is an example of the spiral or pinwheel fold. I noticed that the envelope fold was more practical because there was a space I could put the filling in the middle. I made the mistake of rolling the dough too thin. This meant that the filling had a chance to spill out, so I didn't put as much, and when I ate it, I wasn't as happy. This is a little bonus. My siblings were begging me to add jam to the Danishes, and when I did, I used an envelope fold, and you can see I got much more filling. Next time, I'm going to use the envelope fold for all the Danishes. These go in the oven for about 20 minutes. After, you can sprinkle powdered sugar or make a glaze. I ended up adding butter on top of the Danishes while they were half through baking, and it turned out well.